Hey there, Android Auto enthusiasts! Welcome back to CarPlayHacks, the go-to place for all things Android Auto. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you on how to add YouTube to Android Auto. Google may not officially support YouTube on Android Auto, but fear not, we've got some safe and effective methods for you. Let's dive in. Now, Android Auto already includes some fantastic features like calls, messages, YouTube Music, maps, podcasts, and more. However, Google hasn't introduced YouTube support to avoid distractions while driving. But we know you want to enjoy YouTube on your Android Auto, so we've got you covered with 100% working and safe methods that don't require root access. First up, we have the WheelPal app. This fantastic tool allows you to enjoy YouTube videos on your car's infotainment system, just like you do with Spotify or YouTube Music. Step 1. Download and install the WheelPal app for Android. You can find the official WheelPal app via the link in the description. Make sure to use the Chrome browser for this installation and setup process. Step 2. An Add to Home button will appear in a pop-up window. Click that button and wait for the installation to complete. Step 3. Once the installation is done, the app will appear on your home screen. The second method is using CarStream, a popular solution developed by Kiran Kumar. Let's see how to set up CarStream. Download and install the Android Auto app if you haven't already. Next, download CarStream. The steps may slightly vary depending on your Android version and phone model, so be sure to check the description for any specific details. Now, if you're looking for the easiest way to enable Android Auto YouTube without your Android phone, a dedicated hardware upgrade might be the solution for you. There are various adapters available that seamlessly integrate with Android Auto. You can find more options on the CarPlayHacks store. CarLinkit Wireless CarPlay AI Box 2023. Onance AI Box Wireless Adapter. CarLinkit AI Box Android Wireless Adapter. If you don't have Android Auto, or you're looking for an alternative solution, the in-car app is your best bet. It's an Android Auto simulator that replicates the Android Auto experience on your phone. Complete with additional apps that aren't available on Android Auto by default, such as YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, browsers, Waze, video players, and more. All you need to do is download in-car from the Google Play Store. It's a straightforward process, and if you want more details on how to use the in-car app, check out our dedicated tutorial video on CarPlayHacks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to CarPlayHacks for more Android Auto tips and hacks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Drive safely, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you for watching CarPlayHacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.